All right, I'm doing a live today just for fun because I needed a break, and there we are. There's the magazine joining. The reason I have this image down here is because the last time I did a video for Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine, I used content from the sampler kit. And so what I want to do today is show you the current kit and the types of things that you get in these kits because it's pretty awesome. I'm just going to say. And just so you know, right now we are in the pre-order phase for the next kit, which is our October kit, and you can pre-order until the 25th of the month, and it is only $13 plus shipping. All right, I'm going to show you what's in the kit because this is fun, and I guess that what I want to express today is I kind of am shocked at what's in the kit. And once I started realizing what was in the kit, I realized how much you could do with the kit, and that's why I want to show you our current kit, which is shipping out presently, I believe. And so I'm going to open it up, and also I can see your comments, so if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them, because I can multitask. I can do some things, but first of all, when you get a kit, you will get this little insert card. And we designed the front of the card to be something that you could just put in your craft space if you wanted to keep it. And on the back of the card is where we list, this kit shipped out last Thursday. So those of you who are already subscribers, you will be receiving these. And right now I think I need a little more coffee because I'm tongue-tied. Oh, that's good. Anyway, we list on the back of the card everything that you get in the kit. So let's take a look. And the nice thing is, again, you can use this. You can put this in your craft room. But here's what I think is so fun. So when we make our little card, I'm going to try to pull this out beautifully. We also turn the word into a sticker. Now this sticker, it is like a foam sticker, but check it out. Can you tell? It's glitter, but not the kind that comes off. And last month, or the last video I did, we had a sticker for that kit, and I used it for a title. I think they work great for titles, so I just wanted to show you that. So you got the little guy there. I'm gonna put you up here, okay? Okay, super cute. Look at this teeny tiny, well, it's not teeny tiny, but look at this cute cardstock sticker from Doodlebug. That is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna put you up there. And now ephemera. Now I need to flip over my card because one of these is from Doodlebug. Some of the content is from Doodlebug and some of the content is from Vicky Booten. Vicky, rocking my world. Now I'm gonna put some of these things up because this looks more like a Doodlebug, and these are just cute little cardstocks. That's probably Vicky. Let's keep going here. Hello. I'm gonna flip you over. Actually, come on now. There we go, little heart. And we'll just start laying some stuff out. So here's the crazy thing. You get a lot of stuff in these kits because it really is a sampling of products from a particular line. Oh, that's really cute. Look at that frame. Isn't that cute? Oh, so cute. And here's some more Doodlebug, I'm assuming. Oh, these baby cameras. Can you see that? Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, Doodlebug. That's ridiculously cute. More tags, ephemera. Oh yeah, this has got to be, I'm going to pull this up too. Again, more pieces that you are getting in a kit. That's okay. We're going to run out of room in here, so I'm just going to start kind of layering it down. And the beautiful thing is that anything in here can be used to create a scrapbook page, or someone just kicked me out. All right, am I still live? Did you see that? My phone rang. Oh my goodness. Okay, keep going. And more cards, and oh, look at how cute that is. Super cute. Flipping that over. And more things. Now, here's the beautiful part. So you're getting all this cute stuff. Then comes the paper. So look at this paper from Doodlebug. Yeah, it's two-sided. There's one. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Little airplanes and a stripe. Oh, that stripe is really cute. A beautiful rainbow. And these are 6x6 pattern papers. Oh gosh, look at that. So cute. And you can do so much with this, whether you're making cards or whether you're making scrapbook pages. That whole motif with the little, where are they here? With these little cameras. Very cute, very cute. And hello, Wendy. You just posted and said hello, so I'm saying hello back. Again, some real cute stuff. This is a lot of product to get in one piece or in one kit. So again, more Doodlebug. Fantastic selection there. I hope this is translated in the light. And then we have more of Vicki Boutin pieces. Look at that. Oh, that's adorable. That's adorable. Look at that two-sided piece. The lemons are lit. Vicki, I know. Oh, now people are texting me. I know you're not presently watching right now, but that's pretty cute. Gotta put that down. Look at that. That is so cute. Hey, Lori, giving me a thumbs up there. Lovely. That is so cute. Also for Vicki. Okay, Vicki showed this paper. Maybe it was on Facebook Live with Catherine the other day, and she showed this in a 12 by 12. That's what's so cool. And she said this paper as a single paper like sold out straight up real fast, and I can see why, because that is adorable. Now I feel like I will have to covet this for long periods of time. This is so cute. Catherine, I don't know the name of this collection. Wait, yes I do. Wildflower and Honey by Vicki Boutin. Wow. Oh, and the Doodlebug is the I Heart Travel collection. So you can find these products as well in their full capacity. But this is what you get. Oh God, that is cute. In an SCT sampler. But there's one more thing. Look at that cool paper from Vicki. Oh my gosh. Oh, love it. And this is the thing that kind of made me actually squeal. This is from Close to My Heart. And this is a full-sized embossing folder. So the thing is, if you think about this, let me see if I can get it open. If you were to, order a single embossing folder, that would be at least $5.99, maybe $6.99, maybe more. I don't know. But this whole kit is $13. $13, and that includes shipping. And that includes shipping in the United States. So if you are a U.S. customer, because as you know, Scrapbooking Cards Today is published out of Canada, you're not paying international shipping. You are getting the shipping included. Check it out. This is an embossing folder, and it is going to put stripes embossed. I am dying because I love texture. So just wanted to show this. I think it's really, really cool, and I have plans. Now, I was actually chatting with Catherine, who is the publisher of the magazine, and said, I know that this kit is going to inspire me to either create another scrapbook page for the Scrapbooking Cards Today YouTube channel or a card project. But this embossing folder from Close to My Heart, and what is it called? I'm looking it up. It's just called the Stripe Embossing Folder. And again, that came in your kit. So this is a look at the SCT sampler, all of the wonderful products that come in it. Just wanted to share it with you, and now I have had my social interaction with the world for the day, and now I can actually go get back to work. But I appreciate you watching, and you can get any information about this kit by visiting scrapbookingcards.com. You can learn more about our sampler and begin your subscription, because yeah, getting this little stash of goodies every month doesn't suck. All right, thanks everyone, and I'll see you soon.